Hey buddy, do you have any spare change?
No, why don't you get a job like everyone else, you lazy bum?
I had a job, a house, a family, a life. All I asked was for some change. You didn't have to insult me.
Oh, I'm sorry that you're a smelly, worthless piece of trash. Good for nothing waste of a human being. Go take a shower and get a job application. And when you're fucking done feeling sorry for yourself, you can pick up the 2 dimes I threw on the ground for you and buy you some more alcohol.
Great. Now I can buy an hour with your wife, but it looks like I don't have enough for condoms.
You know what? I'm not even going to say it. I'm not going to bring myself down to your level.
Why not? I brought your wife down to this level last night, and she took it all like a champ.
You'd be better in jail with 3 square meals a day, rather than eating kibble off of the sidewalks.
Let me guess. You were spoon-fed as a child. Mommy and daddy gave you everything, and now you think you're better than everyone because you have job security. Am I right?
Well, yes, I do. And by the way, I work at General Motors.
Oh yeah? Well, good luck on that one.